In this lesson, I will be giving you some basic concepts on how you multiply and divide negative and positive numbers. Multiplying or dividing with negative and positive numbers can be very easy. The multiplication rule and division rule for negative and positive numbers are the same. So this makes it easy for you, as there is not many rules for you to learn. There are 3 simple rules I am about to show you. Rule number 1. If both numbers carry the same sign, then your answer is going to be positive. Looking at what you have, in example 1, you have a positive 4 being multiplied by a positive 5, so your answer is going to be positive 20. Both numbers are positive, so you get positive 20. In example 2, you have a negative 3 being multiplied by a negative 7, so your answer is positive 21. In example 3, you have a negative 10 being divided by a negative 2, so you get positive 5. Both numbers are negative, so your answer must be positive. Just remember, same sign equals positive answer. You might have recalled learning that 2 negatives makes a positive. But this is only correct if you are multiplying or dividing those 2 negative numbers. Rule number 2. If one number is negative and the other is positive, your answer must be negative. In example 1, you have a positive 6 being multiplied by a negative 5, so your answer must be negative 30. In example 2, you have a negative 6 being multiplied by a positive 5, so your answer is still negative 30. It does not matter whether the negative or positive comes in the problem. The answer does not change. In example 3, you have a negative 20 being divided by a positive 4, so your answer must be negative 5. And in example 4, you have a positive 20 being divided by a negative 4, so your answer is still negative 5. It does not matter whether the negative or positive comes in the problem. Rule number 3. If you have more than 2 numbers being multiplied, count up the number of negatives, if there is any in the problem. Now, if the number of negatives is even, your answer must be positive. For example, if the problem has 2, 4, or up to any even number of odd number, your answer will be an even number. Look at example 1. You have negative 2 times 5 times negative 1. Since 2 of the numbers are negative, you know your answer must be positive. That's why you got positive 10 for your answer. The second part of rule number 3 says that if the number of negatives is odd, then your answer must be negative. In example 2, 3 numbers are negative, so we got negative 15 for our answer. In example 3, one of the numbers is negative, so we got negative 48 for our answer. Multiplying or dividing negative or positive numbers will become easy to you if you follow these 3 rules given to you. Join me in another video where you will learn more concepts in mathematics.